Hey, good evening to each and everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel. So, ang ating tutorial for today is about how to check your grades or how to view your grades in your performance tasks, quizzes, or tests using Brightspace. So, first of all, you need to log in your account by entering your LRN together with the password tagig LMS 2020, and then of course click login. And then once you log in, this will be the interface of your Brightspace. So as you can see, this is the interface for MAPE subject, and let us use this account for a while. And let's start with, okay, saan po makikita ang inyong mga grades when it comes to your assigned assignments? Okay, so first of all, please click class tools and then go for assignments. And then let's just wait for a while. Tapos ang makikita nyo po is ganito. There is a category here, may completion status, may score, evaluation status, and then due date. And then scroll down using your mouse. Tapos makikita nyo yung mga assignments together with the submission that you have been done. Kung nakapag-submit na ng file, ibig sabihin ang nakalagay or ang lalabas dito is one submission, one file, and then your score or your grade. And then if the teacher gives you a feedback, you can read that one too. Here on the feedback, or click unread, and then yan, mabiview nyo po yung feedback. And then aside from that, makikita nyo rin naman kung kayo ay hindi pa nakapagpasa ng performance task or either quizzes. So, ang lalabas dito or ang nakalagay, not submitted. And then, scroll down po tayo ulit. Okay, for example, this one, arts quiz number 1. So, there is an attachment here kasi it is a Google form link. So, as you can see, wala pa siyang na-submit. So, there is no score. And then, followed by the other performance task. Okay, scroll down lang natin para makita nyo po. Okay, so tulad nito, there is a grade already, and then meron pang mga feedbacks dyan. Okay, scroll down again. So makikita natin ulit yung mga iba niyang performance tasks na naipasa at hindi pa naipapasa. So that's it. That's the interface for viewing your assignments together with your grades and then the feedback. Okay, what else do you want to know? So if you want to know naman kung alin yung mga may grades na, okay, with regards to your performance tasks, quizzes, or tests, just click class tools and then grades. Okay, as you can see, there is a summary here. So ang tawag dito is yung summary po ng inyong mga naipasa sa MAPE subject. So grade item on the left side, and then followed by the points, grade, and then feedback. Okay, so using your mouse again, just scroll down. Okay, makikita nyo po yung mga grades nyo dyan. Okay, and then what else? Okay, if you want to go back na po kasi wala na kayong hahanapin, okay, click course home so you can see the whole interface for MAPE subject. Okay, let us see kung anong lalabas dito. Okay, ayan. Bumalik pa tayo sa umpisa. As you can see, we had the interface again for your MAPE class. Okay. So, if you want to check your finished or unfinished performance tasks or quizzes or tests, just scroll down. And then, on the right side, here is the work to do. This one. Ayan po si work to do. And then, makikita nyo yung mga overdue dyan. Okay, overdue performance tasks or health, for example, health quiz number 1, number 2, and more. And then you can click view all work. Okay, pindutin lang si view all work. And then that would be the summary. Ayan, as you can see, meron nakalagay dito na overdue or overdue na performance tasks. And then, upcoming work. Ibig sabihin sa upcoming work, ito yung mga paparating pa lang na dapat yung gawin, and then there is a submission date together with the time. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this simple tutorial. Okay, and then if you have any more question, okay, you can message me at my messenger account, and then don't hesitate to ask your questions. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something for today. I hope so. Good night and stay safe, everyone.